In this video, I'm going to tell you guys a very interesting API from Bitquery. All the API links will be in the description along with Bitquery Telegram channel link. So we are going to get Raydium DEXTrades which are happening through OpenBook V1 CLOB of Solana. So CLOB is Central Limit Order Book. So there are two types of DEXs. One where the DEX just uses a liquidity pool to swap tokens, and the second where the DEX uses a order book. An order book is like a digital document where you write buy orders and sell orders with their price and amounts, and then match the orders and then settle the funds to both the accounts associated. You can see here on SoulScan that this is a trade on Radium V4. I'm going to tell you about the instruction details here. So this is a swap instruction from Radium which is responsible for DEX trades on Radium V4. And here you can see the Serum program which contains the OpenBook address. If you see the OpenBook address in the accounts array, that means that the DEX trade has gone through OpenBook CLOB. And that's what we need for this video. We are trying to get all the DEX trades which are going through CLOB OpenBook in real time. Firstly, register yourself on id.bitquery.io to get started. I have already done that, so I'm going to just jump on the API example. So now let's get started. We are going to get Radium text trades where OpenBook is involved, which is an order book protocol. Make sure this is EAP first, then select Solana, then select Dex trades, and then select this where button. By clicking where button, you need to select first trade, Dex, and here protocol family as Radium because we want the Dex trades on Radium. We're going to put one more filter in this instruction. Under instruction, select accounts and then click on includes, and we'll include the address here, which is OpenBook address. Now we completed our filter. Now we're going to select the fields we need info about. We're going to select trade, then we're going to select buy, then account address, then amount, price in USD, price, currency details. I'm going to select only the two of them, mint address and symbol. We can also select amount in USD. Now we're going to select the DEX details, all the three of them, program address, protocol family, and protocol name. Then we're going to select market address, and then we're going to select the sell side, just like the buy side. Account address, amount in USD, amount, then currency details. Going to select only two of them, mint address and symbol. Then going to select price and price in USD. I'm also going to select here transaction signature so that I can look the transaction on Solscan and verify if these are the transactions really from OpenBook CLOB. Firstly, change this query keyword to subscription. As what I'm trying to get here are the DEX trades happening on Radium through CLOB OpenBook in real time. Now click on run query. You can see the details of DEX trades here. I'll just stop the query because I don't want to exhaust my credits. So this is the transaction signature. I'll look it up on SoulScan here and check whether it contains the OpenBook address or not, which means if it has gone through the OpenBook CLOB order book or not. So I can see it here, Serum Program OpenBook. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.